Tired of your keyboard clicks and background noise being broadcast to your entire Discord server? Learn how to set up push-to-talk in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open Discord settings, then configure the push-to-talk mode and assign a keybind. Finally, we'll test it in a voice channel. First, open Discord on your computer. Then, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner next to your username to open User Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Voice and Video. Now, under Input Profile, select Push to Talk. Scroll down to the Push to Talk Keybind section. Click on Edit Keybind. Press the key you want to use to activate your microphone. Then click Stop Recording to save that key. Click the X to exit settings. Finally, join a voice channel and test it by pressing your binded key to activate your microphone. Enjoy! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.